So this video is hopefully to help you more easily transfer the 3D print design you created out on Tinkercad onto the Dremel printer so that your project goes smoothly. So the first thing you need to do when you come into the library is sit down at a laptop that's connected to the Dremel 3D20 printers with the blue cable. Once you do that, open up your Tinkercad, log into your account, and then open up the design that you would like to print. When you double click on the design, it takes it just a second or two to pop open. You're going to click the download button and you're going to click download for 3D printing. You must make sure that you select the STL file extension. That's what our printer uses, this STL extension. So once you click on it, you'll see a window open at the bottom that says, what do you want to do with this tremendous Elzing? That's just the generic name that they gave your design. So you're going to want to save that. We're going to save that on the hard drive of this laptop. So go ahead and click save. You probably should have clicked save as, then you could have named it something that you would remember, because several other people may have the same design that you have, this tremendous Elzing. So once you get it saved, go ahead and let's minimize this screen. And we're going to open up the Dremel 3D slicer. It's this little orange icon. I'm going to double click on that. I should have already had that open. I apologize. Our computers are just so fast. Here it goes. Once you get this opened, this is the slicer for the Dremel printer. So you're going to look here to the left and click the load button. You're going to load your design onto this print bed right here. So I've double clicked, and now you need to go and locate where you saved your file at. If you just instantly click save like I did at the bottom instead of clicking save as, it's just going to probably store it in the downloads folder. Let's go and look. I'm going to organize that by date modified. Tremendous Elzing, there it is. Okay. If I were you, once again, I would click the save as down here instead of just the save. I think it allows you to click the little arrow to the right and open it up and save it. Anyhow, it's saved in the downloads folder if you just click save. So we're going to open it. Oops, sorry, double click on that item to open it up, and it should lay it flat on the print bed right where you want to print it. So now all you have to do is go and click build, build, and we have to do this converting. We have to convert it, the STL file, to this .3D Drem. So once again, go back to downloads and look. Oh, there's your tremendous Elzing. I'm sorry, tremendous Elzing. So we're saving it as a .3D Drem. Now it's going to ask you how you want to build it. Well, we're going to build it through the USB cord because that's that blue cable you have connected. Click USB cord. We're going to keep it on standard settings and click OK. USB cord standard, OK. Sorry, double click. It's telling me to save it, so go ahead and save it. I'd save it as my name if I were you. And you can look up here in the upper right hand corner, it's preparing to build the design that you have selected. If you'll watch this little box with the D in it, it will fill up with the yellow. If you watch right here, this will also fill up as well. It'll go up from 9 to 100% when it's actually ready to send it through the cable and start printing. So that's really all you have to do to get your print started. Make sure you come back and check on your print between classes or at lunch, because with everyone printing, things tend to get lost, or someone printed something that looks like yours. I'm going to turn this around. Maybe you can see the printer. You see right here, it's already starting to print the design. So that's all you have to do, guys. And once a laptop is open, then the next person can come and design. All right, thank you.